Okay, so this is the Discord app. To get this app, you have to go either to the Play Store or the App Store and download the Discord app. There's an invite that will be below this video. Just click on that invite, it'll automatically bring you in. On the side here is where we have direct messages. So if you wanted to directly message somebody privately, you could do that here, or me. My picture is basically what brings you in and out of things. So if you go in and out of something and you can't figure out where you got or how to get back, just click on my picture. This is another group that I belong to. So if you belong to other servers, they will show up here on the left. In here is the welcome and rules. They're pretty basic. The Hangout chat, this is where if you just want to talk to someone else and see what's going on, share your stash. Some of us like to share our different artwork and things. You can do that in any of these little groups here. The swaps, it's another group where we show what we've swapped with each other. The Amazon influencer link is basically just a link to my Amazon store. I'm just showing you items that I use when I'm creating a video. It's just easier than creating multiple links. If it's on Amazon, I try to put it there. Now, one of my favorites is this Hangout voice channel. This is if you just want to like Zoom with someone else because you just don't feel like typing and you're creating and you just want to visit with them. This is my favorite spot. I love to just hang out and meet you guys personally, and this is one of my favorite things to do. It's not like a live like on YouTube, it's more like Zoom, so you actually get to see the person and meet with them. Now, if you don't want to turn your camera on, you can turn your camera off and just voice chat, but I personally want to see everybody because then I feel like I'm visiting. That's my thing. And live is the same type of thing, but I like the voice chat. That one's, I don't really know what the difference between these two are. Sorry, my dog is moaning. I like the Hangout voice just the best. That one's my favorite. So let me go back to something like share your stash. Now here I've gotten a response from somebody. This is the hardest part, is how do you add a message? We know right here we can add a message here, but if you wanted to add a reaction, you just click on one of those little icons and all your reactions will pop up, and also a reply. So if you wanted to reply to that specific message, once you hit reply, it'll respond to that specific message. It's a little bit different than Facebook, but it's pretty basic and simple. Now, if you wanted to add a picture like this turtle that's up here, very easy to do. You can do it easier on your phone than your laptop unless you have the pictures in your laptop. Just hit this plus button and see the drop down menu will come in. Because I'm on a laptop, it doesn't give me the camera option. On a phone, it gives me the camera option. So you can click on a file. If you double click this, it'll upload. You can create a thread, or you can use other apps inside of this. That's a little more complicated, but mostly we're just adding pictures. That's really my favorite thing to do. So if you want to share what's on your table, just take your camera phone and just, it'll have the camera right there and you can take a picture, or you could take a picture that's already in your phone. It's just easier to use. I mostly use this on my phone. Every once in a while when I'm recording, I'll use the desktop, but it's a really fun way to share your work and share what everybody's doing at the same time. And it's just a fun place to hang out and meet other artists. So I hope you'll join us there and see us. There's lots of fun things that we do. I check in here every day and just like to see what's going on with people. I mostly go to the Hangout. Sometimes you'll see a number next to something if somebody's posted, like next to the swaps, and then you know that there's new posts there. So that's just the way to figure it all out. It's very simple. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Any of us will answer it. It's a super nice group, non-judgmental, and you don't have to have experience, and you can ask anyone any questions. I come in all the time and answer questions. So it's an easy way to get to me directly, because YouTube questions or comments take me 24 hours to get back to. This one pops up on my phone, so it just gives you an easier way to get in. So I hope you come and join us on Discord, because it's a really beautiful group of people.